Westermans here with the Bomar AL400 automatic saw, clamping down, running some aluminium, 2-finger controls. As you can see, nice cut on there. It also has a rotating bed for doing your angles or your miters. Air supply, additional guarding there. Canopy, there is a light inside but that's not actually set up. There's an external power supply to that. Machine is available for sale on westermans.com. More details, please look at westermans.com on this and other saws and other engineering equipment. Thank you for looking.